Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is tylauren on my social channels. If you don't follow me, you definitely should. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting a new video. Y'all, 2021 is basically over, and that is insane because I feel like this might have been the fastest year of my life. I thought 2020 was, but no. 2021 is definitely the fastest year of my life. I feel like I literally feel like it was just New Year's, it was just Christmas, and now it's about to be Christmas in a few days, which is, it's just insane. Life is just flying by. But whatever. Today's video is about all of my favorite like ride or die 2021 beauty products. I use a ton of products, as you guys know, but these are the ones that I always go back to because they just work and they just do the job that they say they're gonna do. So I want to share them with y'all. If you have any ride or die 2021 products, definitely leave them in the comments below and let me know what you use and what you cannot live without. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'm so excited to show you all these products. Also, if you guys watch my videos, then you know that I moved into a house, so I'm trying all these like different areas of where to film and what's best. Right now I'm in my bedroom. It just has really good lighting, like natural light. I do have like a beauty room, which I want to kind of make my film room, but I'm not really sure, so you guys let me know. These like homey doors, like for the background, I'm just not obsessed with. I could put up a backdrop, whatever. Let's just get into the video. Okay, in no specific order, I'm gonna start going through these products that literally have changed my life. The first one is the Aphogee. I'm not sure how to say it, but this protein like hair mask pack is literally a dream come true. It is like a step 1 and a step 2. This one is the strengthening treatment. It's amino acid blend. And then this is the step 2. It's a protective moisturizer, has like botanical extracts. I put in this one for 10 minutes, rinse it out. After I wash, your hair must be cleansed and washed. And then for like 2 minutes, I put in step 2. So it kind of like, whenever you do a protein treatment, you should always follow up with like a deep treatment or some type of conditioning treatment because protein does strip your hair, but it also makes it like really strong. So this has changed my life. Every wash day, I wash my hair once a week, and I'm telling y'all, once a week, this really changes the game. And then I also partner it up with another favorite, which is the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I can't get enough of Olaplex. It really has changed my hair for the better. Right now I'm on like day 10 of my wash and go, so it looks a little crazy, but I'm gonna wash tonight and I'm gonna use this mask and I leave it on for like 30 minutes. Guys, I think I slept in it once and I let my hair out and it was like curly. And I was just like, Olaplex just knows what they're doing when it comes to curly hair and products, because this might be a little pricey, but it's worth every single penny. Next is the foundation that I've been wearing literally all year. It's the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation plus skincare. I use 42, 42.5, 41, and I mix it all up. You know, I feel like my skin, like it changes throughout the year, but this foundation is like the perfect mix of coverage, but like your face doesn't look like you have a ton of makeup on. It just does the job. And like, I love It Cosmetics. I think their formulas are amazing. I'm so excited they finally extended like their shade range because it was kind of hard for me to find my color, but I love this foundation. I don't really like wearing a lot of makeup. And I think this is the foundation that'll give you like just enough, make you look kind of flawless, make you also look like you don't have makeup on, make sure your skin is kind of like being taken care of. So if you do see this foundation and you're a really simple gal when it comes to makeup, I think that you guys will really like it. It says like water light, medium coverage, natural radiant finish, which is exactly like what it does, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, switching gears, we are gonna talk about deodorant. Okay, I have a little story for y'all. Don't mind the bottom, it kind of like shriveled up. I don't know how, but this is the Hey Humans Naturally Derived Deodorant Coconut Mint. It's aluminum free, it's paraben free, it has essential oils, dermatologist tested, and it's all day odor protection. So I'm gonna be real transparent with y'all. I can get really sweaty, like really sweaty and smelly. Like, it's just how life works, especially since I switched to natural deodorant. I think it's been like 2 years since I've been on natural deodorant, and it's just so much better for you. But it took me so long to find a natural deodorant that actually works. So I'm not gonna say it's all day odor protection, because like if I'm working out, like running the street, like doing a lot of stuff, probably around like, if I leave my house at 10 o'clock and I come back around like 6, I might be a little bit like, not stinky, but like, you've been out all day, girl, get in the shower, you know? Like there's, if you're a female and you're watching this, which is usually the case, you know exactly what I mean. There's different types of smells that you can be, and it's like, This one is not terrible, but it's like, you should shower. But what I will say is that it doesn't break me out. I don't reek. It lasts for most of the day. It's so affordable. When I tell you it's like $5 at Target, like that's my number one favorite thing about this. They have a bunch of different fragrances. I only like the coconut mint. I'm very sensitive to fragrance, so that's why. But when I tell y'all I tried every single natural deodorant on the market, I literally have. And this is the only one that I could really, really get down with. And it's so affordable, like I said. You can find it in Target. Definitely give this a try. It's recyclable, it's made from paper. It just has so many great things about it that it's just like, it's the whole package. Truly and honestly, I don't think there's a natural deodorant on this planet that's perfect. There's just no way, because everyone's body chemistry is so different, and like deodorant, like it's just hard to find. But this one is like top notch, amazing. Like when I tell you it works, it works. But you know, everything has its flaws, so it can't be perfect. But this is as close to perfect as I was gonna get, and I'm obsessed with it. Moving into skin, I'm pretty sure if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me talk about Paula's Choice. Also, I think the light is changing because it's like going to 4 o'clock, so don't judge. This 2% BHA liquid exfoliant from Paula's Choice, when I tell you this is godsend. It's for all skin types. It unclogs your pores, it shrinks them. I use this literally twice a day because it's amazing in the morning and in the night, and it has just been like my ride or die like skincare product that I can't live without. Also, Paula's Choice is super affordable. If you've never tried it, you definitely should. Back to hair, a lot of people ask me about heat protectants because I straighten my hair all the time, and I always tell them the Bumble and Bumble BB Glow Thermal Protection Mist. It's a little pricey, I think it's like $30, but you honestly keep it for a while, and it doesn't like, I feel like I only use a little bit because I straighten my hair probably like once every other week. But it is worth it. It's amazing. They have like a little line, and they also think I think they have like a little travel like package, which I think everybody should buy, try it out, and then buy the full size ones, because this is just one of my first, my favorite heat protectants. Back to skin. I don't know about y'all, but like all of my products are kind of disgusting and have like marks all over them. This one. This is the Hyper Even Brightening Dark Spot Vitamin C Serum. Y'all, I was going through it with my skin. Like, I should really do a video of how terrible my skin got last year from the stress of buying the house and the panorama and all that stuff. But I have so many dark marks, which you can't see because I'm wearing like a full coverage foundation right now. But the Hyper Skin Brightening Dark Spot Vitamin C Serum is the truth. It's amazing. It works so well. And I'm pretty sure it's affordable too, but it's just like one of the best like dark spot treatments that I've used, and I absolutely love it. Okay, we're down to our last 2 products. This right here, y'all, this is for skin. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% zinc 1% high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. When I tell y'all, this has cleared up my acne and has given me a new face for $5.90 at Ulta. Now this is probably one of my favorite products out of all of these that I'm telling you. I go through this bottle monthly because I'm obsessed with it. It is so gentle. The only thing I'll say is it kind of makes me a little bit dry, but that also means that I have to just, make sure I'm moisturizing as well. I have combo skin, and whenever I get a breakout, whenever I get a pimple, I am putting this on it. Sometimes I sleep with this like all over my face because I get breakouts everywhere. But this Ordinary Niacinamide, guys, if you buy anything from this video, this is thebomb.com. It is so legit, like one of the best products I've ever found, and it works so well for my acne, and it's only $5.90. Okay, this, amazing. Okay, last product. It is for hair. It is, I think I've told you guys that I'm obsessed with Nioxin. I love it. It does wonderful things for your hair. I've been using them for like 3 years now. But this Night Density Rescue, I guess it's like a solution, Oxidine, I guess. It's like a little dropper. I use this on my hair every night. I also use their shampoo and conditioner and their serum. Amazing all together. But this is the truth. It really has like changed my edges, changed the density of my hair. Nioxin just has really amazing products for people who want to bring their hair back to life. And this is just one of the products that I use from Nioxin. But this daily, every night, usually when my hair is curly, not really when my hair is straight because I can't really put anything in my hair when it's straight. But this Guys, this is really, really, really great. All right, y'all, that was all of the products that I have literally used all throughout 2021 that I cannot stop telling people to buy because they are the truth. I hope you guys try these products and they work for you. Don't forget to let me know what your ride or die products are for 2021 because I want to go buy them and use them in 2022, and maybe they'll make, you know, their appearance in my 2022 video of my favorite products. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing holiday, a happy and healthy New Year's, and I will see you guys in my next video.